Hello, welcome to my second Dabka tutorial. I know what you're saying. Yusuf, where have you been? It's been more than a year since you posted a Dabka tutorial. Yeah, I know. I've had a lot of things going on, but that's besides the point. I promised that if I got 500 likes on my previous Dabka tutorial, that I will make a second with intermediate to advanced moves. Now, I also want to say, first of all, thanks guys for 700 plus likes on that video. I am coming back onto YouTube and I'm going to make more videos. I'm going to be more active. I need your help to share my videos, like, comment, subscribe, and do the best to your abilities to help me so I can provide more content. Yeah, so this is the Dabka tutorial that you guys have been waiting for so long. If you haven't watched the first one, go watch the first one, learn those moves, and then come back to this one and get your Dabka skills on. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Thank you guys so much for being here and still sticking with me. And yeah, enjoy. Alright, to get started, just make sure you always start with your left foot. So this is how it goes. This is called the box Dabka, or you can call it vine Dabka, whatever it is. It's box or vine. Okay, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can also do this in place. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And just make sure when you're walking, you're turning with it as well. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So your feet kind of twist, I guess, if that makes sense. Here's a different view. So this next move is it's basically the Dabka walk, but in place. So you're not stepping to the right, you're stepping in place. You'll know exactly what I mean right when you watch it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Same exact move by implementing a stomp inside the move. So instead of the 2 steps at the end that go right and left, you do a stomp. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
شباب وصبايا هلا هذه بده يعطينا العصافير ايدينا بالعالي جدا.
Now that you have those understood, you can add the 2-step into it. 1, and then you do this, and then stomp, and then there's your 4th step. Or 3rd step, sorry. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Faster. Remember, it's 1, and then you hop, step for the 3rd, step for the 4th, step.
وين الزافي يلا عالطبل 1 2 3 4 5 شعلت يما
Now everything that I've just taught you can be put together, and this is just the Dabka walk. I'll also label it on the video so you know exactly which one I'm doing. Alright, in the last video I taught you Sab'a, which is the universal Dabka. If you've done Dabka before, you know exactly what it is. This is just adding more moves to it or doing it in a different way. Step, kick, slide back, and then you step with your right, step with your left, hop both feet, stomp.
بنقول على الجيتار مع بعض كنا لبس طرش بطلون ورامي بحبنا مجنون دك الماني دك الماني لبس طرش بطلون رامي بحبنا مجنون.
Alright, the next version of the move is just kicking twice instead of tiptoeing. Step to the right, and then immediately you go in for a hop and you kick. And then you hop again and kick. And then you hop again, stomp on both feet, and then you do the stomp. So step to the right, kick, slide back, kick, stop on both feet, hop with a stomp at the end. Alright, now we're going to move into the more advanced technique. This is Midwiz. We're going to add more into it. If you don't know Midwiz, go refer to my last video, the last Dabka video that is. Nanonos or Midwiz is basically, here let me show you first. So it's okay. That half bicycle is what they call it. Some people call it that. You do it twice. What I mean is, here's 1, 2. Okay? After doing it twice, this is why it's called nanonos. So you do wahda ونص, do another wahda ونص, and then you do stomp, knee up. Or you can do twist, knee up. That's how I taught it in the first video. So wahda ونص, twist, knee up. Alright, so this next move is Midwiz or nanonos with a lunge instead of the kick. When you're at this foot right here, when this leg goes up, you don't usually kick this foot up, all you do is raise the knee. You know? So this one isn't really doing much except for hopping, okay? So instead of hopping and just using it for hopping, what you're gonna do is you're gonna do a lunge, okay? So I don't know if you can see that properly. I'll put it at a different angle. Here it is in a different angle. Remember, when you do the wahda ونص and you lunge here, you immediately switch back into the wahda ونص. Remember, it's wahda ونص, lunge, wahda ونص, lunge, and then the two-step. Wahda ونص, and then you do the lunge, and then again wahda ونص, lunge. So kick, step, lunge, kick, step, lunge, both feet, left leg up, start again. And here's what it would look like with music. Alright, the last and final Dabka move of this video I'm going to be teaching you is just doing the midwiz and turning while doing it. Some people find it easier to do and some people find it harder to do. So here we go. When you're in this position, you're already doing Dabka. To add this move, all you're going to have to do is walk to the left, then turn all the way around, walk to the right, and then come back to the middle, stomp on both feet, left leg up, and you can repeat. So your left leg is up, then you go to the left, then you go to the right, and then you walk. You turn back around to this position, hop again with your left leg up. So it's... Alright, so you turn one way and then you turn the other way. Two step. Remember, it's واحدة ونص to the left, and then واحدة ونص to the right. And then you come back on both feet and then you hop with a knee up. Here's what it would look like with music. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm filming my outro outside. Feels good out here. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. If I get 1,000 likes on this video, I will make a third Dabka tutorial with more moves and different kinds of Dabka. So please leave me your feedback in the comments and subscribe, because I do need the feedback and some more motivation to make more videos. But I will continue making more videos. Thank you so much, and peace.
على هون